April 25, 2021, police were dispatched to a residence to report of a suspected break-in in Rothschild, Wisconsin. When police arrived, they found a vehicle stolen from Wausau, Wisconsin earlier in the day, parked on the sidewalk, with the engine running and with no one inside.
Is the same as their shorter vids. Best vid from the Memo. Much love XQCOW.
After noticing an open garage door, the officers went to the home, evacuated the residence, and went inside to check for a suspect.
They run off.
I think they're in the garage. I think they took the opener out of the truck.
Uh-oh.
We pulled up in the garage door just closing.
4573, copy 28. Adam King Zebra 1362, Adam King Zebra 1362. I believe that's going to be Wausau's stolen vehicle.
Affirmative, it is.
Come on out! Ed said that he saw someone go in the house.
This is kind of scary.
Sheriff's office, if you're in here, make yourself known.
Rothschild PD!
Boy, the camera has colors now.
Sheriff's office.
I'd like to apply
Did anybody
for the
run in
position
here?
in your company as a content scout. It promises to be the best
Is this your
monitor
house,
of
ma'am?
toads and assure that your videos
Oh,
are
night
very
vision.
friendly.
Wait, really?
Please
Are you
consider
the one that
this
called the shit
application.
about?
I am requesting jungle
Okay, call.
access in return for my hard
In my
work.
garage?
Hello? So we just got a call about
fuck no.
someone breaking into the truck out here.
What truck?
Dogs?
To the black truck out here. Is that your truck out here?
He doesn't bite. He just.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my truck.
Okay.
I don't know why they'd be breaking in. It's not loud.
Well, there's just a red car parked here. Could you guys do me? Is there anyone else in the house other than you two?
No.
No one else is supposed to be in here?
No.
Okay. Why don't you guys come out and we'd like to just sweep through the house, okay?
Was this door closed when you guys went to bed?
Yeah.
No information in regards to them being armed.
Guys,
10-4.
I mean, obviously I'm no officer, but this is like tough to read.
Female just came to the back door open.
This is really weird vibes though. No?
All right, ma'am,
I just wanted to get my shoes. I'm
just go outside,
sorry.
guys, okay? Just go across the street, find somewhere safe, okay?
Guys, the lady is being weird, the guy's being dismissive, right? But then they're trying to help, but they're acting like, oh, whatever. So this is kind of weird, no?
42, King 10-9.
Can you just throw me my sandals in there so I have something on my feet?
There was
A female came back to the back door, turned the porch light on. Was wondering if we were able to miss 21 with her call.
Did you open up the back door?
2242, my partner is still looking for a code one.
That was me. I turned the light.
7-3, we're going to be clearing the house. Can we get 33 traffic?
10-4. 33 traffic on Sheriff 1 again. 33 traffic on Sheriff 1.
Anything could happen at this point.
Sheriff Q.
Police! Make your presence known!
Skip night, it's clean, it's clean.
Police department!
What was it was hidden right on the corner there?
Police department, make your presence known!
They ended up discovering a man hiding in the bathroom, surrendering with his hands up.
Huh?
Come on out of the bathroom!
No, why spoil
Step
her?
out of the bathroom now!
Don't spoil.
Well, keep your eyes on this. I want to clear the rest of this before we... Have them unlock the door, Ed!
Our baby is 18 months old now.
Get your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Huh?
Get on your knees!
Get on your knees!
This guy looks fucking cooked.
Your hands on top of your fucking head.
What the fuck is he doing?
Don't fucking move.
just got a bunch of stitches in my hand.
I don't give a fuck.
What's going on?
You're under arrest.
For why?
43
Yeah, for why?
Ouch, ouch.
I just went into somebody's house with a mask on and gloves on. Why am I getting arrested? For why?
Canyon you stole last week too. What? Black one.
I didn't steal nothing. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, fuck.
Just lay down. I'll fix them.
I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry.
Or are they tight?
The man was identified as 29-year-old Jonathan Bishop.
What's the deal? Talk to me.
Give it to me, baby.
Right one?
Give it to me, baby.
Okay.
Give it to me, baby. Go hop and go. You say pretty fly for a white guy who makes money from watching top fighters on YouTube. Love your work, XQC.
Whose house is this?
Your right one's not tight. I can fit 2 fingers in there.
I can't even move it. I'm sorry, it's the wrong way. Please, please.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Guys, it's nothing strat, guys. It's cuffs are too tight.
You didn't take anything from in here?
No.
What are you doing in here?
Huh?
What are you doing in here?
I was trying to get the please. I was trying to get the car back to my friend.
Jesus, that's right.
All right.
Stolen car outside?
Huh?
Is there,
Get up.
Wait, get on your knees.
What is this
Come on.
excuse, dude?
Can you please fix this right cuff? I can't deal with it anymore.
Roll over on your right side.
Stop!
Don't worry about the cuff.
Fuck, man.
All right, slide your butt.
I'm just trying to work.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, you're really working.
My commander's not working.
Let's get him outside.
Yeah, let's get him outside.
Why do you look like Boris Johnson today?
My hair's bad today. I don't think it's bad hair day, man. Can you stop bullying me?
And then somebody had me trash.
Bully this guy instead.
phone.
Bully this guy instead. Shut up, man.
They stole my phone.
10-4.
Can we get this right cuff, please, please?
3 years.
Just hang on.
I can't feel. Yes, I know this is the case.
Okay, really supposed to get spicy here, boys.
Susie traffic is clear on Sheriff 1 again, sir.
They're right here. Why are you going to the ground? Stand up.
I can't. Oh.
King 04362.
What's wrong with this cuff?
It's really tight. I'm sorry, sir.
It's not really tight.
Right, 242.
Wait, if you want to get the car back, why do you break inside of the house then?
Understand.
Just grab your opener ready.
Those are in my pocket. Those are theirs. They got $300 right in there.
In here?
You broke up there. Can you go again?
Where'd you get that from?
That's mine.
Look at his eyes. What about his eyes? He's not cooked, is he?
Put my mask up a little bit. I'm sick.
Is he cooked out?
I'm trying to work with you guys, honestly.
You want to stand up for me and make this
He lives with the
easier?
guy who says, "What is drugs? I am drugs."
No, just stand still. Yeah. Not talking would be good too.
That's a classic.
Is that you?
Yeah, what
Is that you?
happens then, man?
Whose wallet is this on?
They're old, though, I'm pretty sure. Drew has 2 different IDs. Drew John and Drew James or something.
Officers placed Bishop in their squad car while they interviewed the witnesses.
All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the back of my car here.
Stop.
Do you have additional charges to the stolen vehicle, or is it just that?
7-3 will have additional charges.
You look like coconut.
Guys, he can't climb the
There,
front.
scoot
There's a
yourself
gate.
over this way just a little bit, all right? I'm going to reach across to you and grab the seatbelt. You guys that are here.
And then what?
All right, just sit tight, all right? If you guys want to go inside to your living room, go. Feel free. We walk through the house. Everything's good.
The whole thing?
Yep.
I'm being facetious. I'm sorry.
That's okay. So I just got to take a few pictures.
He went. He did go through. I don't exactly know what was missing out of my cupboard.
During the interviews, Bishop squeezed himself through a 1-foot barrier between the front and back seats and took off with the squad car.
All right. I got your license.
She was buzzing me, so I was like,
What was your
Those
first
cuffs
name?
are tight, but that hair today is definitely not. Feels bad, man.
I got your license.
He's not gonna say anything? Huh?
I got your license. I'll do it. Dude.
Wait. But how is he driving?
East on Edgar Ave. I'm following behind it. 1080.
You could cut him off real easy
Hello,
going
dear.
that way, but you don't know that.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
No traffic.
No. I was up there.
How the hell did you do that?
What, your knees?
Oh, he's on a stolen Rothschild car.
10 cars still on Rothschild car.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you guys go, but I got, like I said, you guys want it?
10-4.
That's it.
4-3, you can have me.
Marathon County deputies began to pursue the vehicle, but lost it for a brief amount of time.
What?
It was eventually located in the backyard of a residence. However, Bishop was not inside the squad car. Deputies set up a perimeter around the residence and used a canine to track Bishop to the back garage door of the home. Bishop was later located inside the attic of the home and taken into custody by Marathon County deputies. It should be noted that Bishop was already wanted by police on drug charges.
Oh yeah, he was cooked up.
Bishop was charged with felony operating a motor vehicle without owner's consent, fleeing an officer, and escaping criminal arrest, and misdemeanor criminal trespass to dwelling, credit card fraud, and operating after revocation.
Wait.
Ultimately, Bishop was sentenced to a total of 5 years of initial confinement in prison, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. He is also ordered to
Guys, there's no special charge for stealing a cop car?
pay $4,300
Instead of a normal
plus
car?
a restitution surcharge.
This guy, dude!